Okay. Oh my. Hello. Hello. What? Hi, Madam C, and welcome back to Rufford Ford for some never-before-seen footage. This is the second part of the last time that I was at Rufford Ford, which has since been closed. But if you're looking for something to do, I'm hosting my own show on the 1st of May, a bank holiday, Adam C Fest. All the links to the tickets are in the video's description. But the water level is low, which means the splashes have been wettening and moistening today. So let's see what else happens. Sounds like the kids are getting excited. Oh, focus ST. They want him to come. He's not gonna go through. He can. It's shallow enough. Yep. Oh look! Oh no! It's got the styling of a Nismo Duke, but it's not actually a Nismo. Look, that's the Nismo. That's a imposter. Old Defender 90. We have a cheering audience now, and the fake Nismo is back again. What a nice pair. Here it goes. Oh, the BMW's going to show us how it's done. Defender is coming in hot. It's going to be a big one. The crowd go wild. The crowd go bananas. They want the Focus to come through. Ah. The Beamer is setting up for something. Here it comes. 0 to 60, well, 0 to 30-ish. 40? Something's equipped with a snorkel coming up this time. Ah, a nice poppy on the front and a dog sticking out the window. Yeah, dogs are good at that. Well done, puppy. Time for a Hilux, also equipped with a puppy inside. Oh dear.
Yes, Adam.
I missed it. I missed it, but it got me.
How's your camera?
I kind of covered it with my body. I missed it, I think. Right, so I missed it the first time. He's also missing his number plate after that. It's knocked it off. Here we go. Yeah, that's what went over me just now. Now they've received the same treatment. Oh dear, it's back. Right, let's film it from this side. Here we go. You can see how wet I got when I was stood there. My poor lunch. Everyone's now leaving the bridge because it's coming back, and this is going to be the biggest one, I think. In fact, I'm going to go this way. Okay. Yep, oh look, a live stream. So I've now learned that its little siren is a warning to everyone to say, I am coming through at a great speed. Oh yes, the dripping bridge. So after the Ranger, it's going to come back again. I'm going to try and get a picture for the gram. Here we go. I failed with the photo, it wasn't great. Oh, that's alright. It's gonna get me wet. Here it comes. Oh my... That was my fault. Happened again. My unwaterproof camera is working a treat. Do you think they'll get bored eventually? I don't think so. I'm gonna use this tree as shelter. It works! I've got a lot of water in my boots. Okay. Wasn't part of the plan. He must have done it like 10 times now. Time for another go! Splashing! By the sounds of it, that was his final go. I think he's carried on going. Let's check on my lunch. It's wet. He's given his van a wash with some dares. Vauxhall are bringing their new Astra through. It's an advertisement as to how good it is at going through small puddles. Defender's back, quite speedy. Oh, that hit me from the side. Wasn't ready for that. That went in the eye. Right, they're back again. They've decided to go in down that way. Well, that's one way to not do it. Why is he going this way? That's not a road. That is not a road, but he's parked there. That's fair. The Defender's going to join. They're driving up the stream. This is what green laners do all day. They just find paths that aren't meant to be there. Is that allowed? The 90 is coming back. The Discovery looks like it's been... I don't know what's happened. Yeah, he's realised, yeah, the road's over there. Have a banana for your effort. Oh dear. Well, I have always wanted to see a car go through that bit. It's a bit stony underneath. Congratulations on your adventure. The Defender is coming from behind. Or not. Oh dear, that's quite... That was the fastest entrance of the day, I reckon. Defender's back. Ugh. We have another candidate. There are two types of people that come through here, as demonstrated. Didn't need his box of Kleenex. And here comes the other type of person that comes through the Ford. We now have a Golf, oh no, two Golf GTIs, or are they GTDs? Well, oh no, it's a GIT, this one, look. He's been clever and funny with his letter spacing. Congratulations, GIT. What's this one spelt? RYU, to match his number plate. My shoes are about an inch full of water, very squelchy. We have a new member, a Range Rover. I'll get out of the way of that one, helpfully. Hello, hello, hello. The police have turned up. Ah, maybe the locals have called them due to the speed of the vehicles. Slow, there's police. Are they camping there, keeping an eye on it? They're encouraging the police officer to go through. He's saying he'll come back with his Land Rover. We have a motor bicycle! Expertly done. And a Land Rover. Big splash from a little car. A Megane with a French flag and a Yobbo plate. The splitter looks a bit worse for wear on the Megane. Oh, the puppy's going through. Look at him go. The Megane's back as well. We haven't had a splash for a while. Thank you. I can hear a diesel preparing over there. There's another diesel preparing over here. Discovery's going to do the biggest splash. And I can hear the distinctive sound of a Subaru. Oh, come on, you're built for it. Well, kind of. He's asking. Oh, look, a Fiat 500's overtaken the Subaru and is going to go straight through, showing a Subaru how it's done. Well done. Thank you. Very good. Oh, we've got the Kia. Oh, what? A Subaru says, no, look, the Kia can do it. No, he's given up. Oh, here we go. This Peugeot's been properly going for it, look. Under tray. The Peugeot's pulled over to retrieve his under tray. Oh no, it's back. I think I've had enough from today because my feet are submerged in water. I am not a comfortable man, so I hope you enjoyed that video from Rufford Ford. Make sure you hit that bell when you subscribe to be notified for the next video because it's going to be a good one. So follow me on Instagram for the updates, highlights and pictures that I take at the things that I do. But for now, thanks for watching.